Then we will go through the separation of components from mixture. There are so many methods are used to separate components from mixture. Then one of the main technique or method, that is the distillation process. Distillation means evaporation. In distillation technique, there are two components. One is volatile component and another one non-volatile component. Volatile means vaporize. Then non-volatile means unvaporize. For example, if we separate sodium chloride solution, this sodium chloride solution is present in seawater. That is separation of components from seawater. In sodium chloride, salt is the one component and water is the another component. That is, water is volatile and salt is non-volatile. Then now we will go through our textbook, that is page number 43. That is one of the figure 3.7. That figure explained the separation of mixture in a distillation process. Okay, one of the round bottom flask and one condensed tube and another flask, one burner, etc. These are the apparatus used to separate component from mixture, that is by distillation method. Then common salt solution is taken in the round bottom flask. On heating that solution, that salt is taken in RB flask or round bottom flask. Then heat it. Then so many questions are related to this experiment or technique or method. Which component evaporate? That is, the water is evaporate first. Then which substance will remain in the flask? That is salt. Salt is a solid component. That solid component non-volatile. So solid substance salt remains in the flask. Then what is the reason? Reason means salt is a solid component. Then what happens to the water vapor when it passes through the condenser? Then when we heat the round bottom flask, that is volatile component is vaporized first. That is, water is vaporized. Then water, it will be converted into steam. That steam go through condenser. Then condenser means that steam in gas state. The condenser is used to condense the gas molecule into liquid. So water, steam can be changed into liquid. Then again collected to the another round bottom flask or beaker. So this is the method to separate salt solution in a distillation method. Okay, now we will go through the another example, that is distillation process. Distillation can be used to separate a mixture of water and acetone. Is one of the another example, water and acetone. That is, water, the boiling point becomes 100 degrees Celsius and acetone 56 degrees Celsius. So the boiling point difference is very large. This large difference in boiling point can be separated by this technique, that is distillation. Then one of the example, that is ethanol and methanol. the boiling point of ethanol is 78 degrees Celsius and methanol 65 degrees Celsius. This boiling point difference is very small. That means small difference in boiling point. So this compound can be or mixture can be separated by method, that is fractional distillation. Then there are two types of distillation, that is simple distillation and fractional distillation. The difference between these two is, that is simple distillation means the boiling point difference is very large. For example, acetone and water and salt and water. These are the examples for simple distillation. But in fractional distillation, small difference in boiling point. Example, ethanol and methanol. And another example, air. Okay, the mixture can be separated by fractional method. The apparatus in fractional method is used, same apparatus used in simple method or simple distillation. In fractional distillation, figure 3.8 show the apparatus used. That is one of the RB flask and fractionating column and one of the measuring temperature, that is thermometer, is used. Then condenser is also used. Okay, these are the apparatus used to separate mixture from components by using fractional distillation. In this method or distillation process, if we take the components by distilling flask or RB flask, then heat it. The components or the boiling point, small boiling point component is vaporized first. Then after that, another component is given out to the flask and condensed to a condenser and collected into another RB flask or boiling flask or another collecting flask.